Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to clean your Mazda CX-5 engine bay step by step. First, gather all your cleaning supplies, including degreaser, brushes, and microfiber towels. It's crucial that your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin, preventing any burns or damage. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before working in the engine bay. This simple step protects you and your vehicle's electronics. Now, let's protect the sensitive parts of your engine. Use plastic bags to carefully cover any exposed electrical components, like the alternator and ignition coils. It's also important to shield your air intake and fuse box from any water exposure. Secure all these coverings firmly with painter's tape. This ensures no water gets into places it shouldn't, preventing potential electrical issues or damage during the cleaning process.
If you're finding these cleaning tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Speaking of keeping things clean, why not upgrade your home cleaning game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a fantastic way to keep your floors spotless, especially if you have pets. It's voice-controlled and self-emptying, making your life much easier. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With everything protected, it's time to clean. Apply a good quality engine degreaser to the heavily soiled areas, letting it sit for a few minutes as directed by the product. Use a soft bristled brush or detailing brush to gently agitate any stubborn grime and dirt, working it loose. Finally, rinse the engine bay with a low-pressure stream of water. Avoid high pressure, which can force water into sensitive areas. After rinsing, thoroughly dry the entire engine bay using clean microfiber towels. You can also use an air blower for hard-to-reach spots. Once dry, carefully remove all the plastic coverings and painter's tape. Reconnect the negative terminal of your battery, ensuring it's tight and secure. For a finished look, apply a non-greasy dressing to any plastic and rubber components to restore their shine and protect them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.